Another fine vehicle offered by Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep.
This is a brand new 2010 Jeep Wrangler, ready for the trail. It has a 3.8-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include cruise control, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, tinted glass, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, and satellite radio. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep is located at 4101 South Tacoma Way in Tacoma. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.
We're back in town. The new Tacoma Dodge Chrysler Jeep, conveniently located at 38th and South Tacoma Way. More than 400 new Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep vehicles available. We've got your Ram Tough trucks. If you want a Wrangler, we've rounded them all up. We're so big, we've got over 30 Dodge Challengers. We've got 0% financing or get huge immediate rebates.